Hi boys and girls, this is math for Tuesday the 7th. You're going to do some more practice with inverse operations. You're going to do stacked multiplication and then you're going to check it with division, diving board division. Okay, so I'm going to do one with you so you have an example in your notebook and then you're going to work the rest on your own. Okay, so get out your math notebook and go to a clean page and let's do number 1 together. Okay. So number 1 is going to be 14 times 2, and I want you to write like that. We're stacking it. Okay. Now, you remember what to do. We start with the ones. I'm going to go 2 times 4 is 8, and then I take my 1 and I go to the 10. 2 times 1 is 2. And my multiplication answer is 28. How do I check this using the inverse operation? Okay, well, my answer in my multiplication is going to be my dividend in my division. So I'm going to put a 28 under the diving board, and my divisor is the 2. Okay, so now if we divide this correctly, we should get 14. And that would show us the inverse operation happening here, okay? So let's see what happens. 2 can go into 2, so I'm going to do that once. 1 times 2 is 2. If I subtract, I get 0. Then I bring down my 8, okay? And now I'm putting 2 into 8. 2 can go into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. And no remainder. So did I get 14? Sure did. My multiplication is correct. Okay. Let's do one more together, and then you're on your own, okay? Let's do number 2 is 12 times 4 stacked like this. All right. First step is the ones. Remember, if I'm ever going too fast for you, just pause it and catch up, and you don't have to feel rushed, okay? All right, so first things first, ones place. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. My multiplication answer, I think, is 48. Let's check it using the inverse operation. 48 will be my dividend. It's the biggest number, right? So my 48 goes under the diving board. What goes on the outside of the diving board? Here's the divisor, number 4. All right, now let's divide and check our work. So 4 can go into 4 one time, so I am going to put it over the 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract, I get 0. I bring down this 8. Now I have to put 4 into 8. 4 can go into 8 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. I subtract and I have no remainder. And look, my quotient matches this multiplication factor. So I know my work is correct. So I want you to do that for each problem, okay? And I'm only going to give you the multiplication side. So you've got to figure out which number is going to be the dividend and which number is going to be the divisor, okay? So I'm going to pause it, write down your problems. Everybody just came in and they're making a lot of noise, so hang on. Okay guys, here's your problems that you're going to copy down and work on your own. Number 3 is 23 times 2. Number 4, 33 times 5. Number 5 is 24 times 6. Number 6 is 13 times 8. And number 7 is 12 times 10. So if you would like to pause this and write those down, please do. And I just want to give you a reminder for the bottom problem, number 7. When there are 2 digits on the bottom number, don't forget our strategy. You're going to multiply the ones first, and then you'll multiply the tens. When you multiply the tens, you have to put a 0 down bottom to hold that place. So I wonder if you'll remember. Just do the best you can, and we'll go over it next time, okay? By the way, if you get stuck, go back to the math playlist and listen to the math songs and they might help you, okay? Great, good luck. See you next time.